Hey everybody, this is Greg with AgeVerify, and in this video I'm going to walk you through adding in our AgeVerify code into a GoDaddy website. Alright, so to begin with here, I'm on AgeVerify.com. The first step is to actually get the code from AgeVerify that you're going to want to put into your GoDaddy website. So you can get there a couple ways. The easiest way from the home page is just to scroll down until you get to our 3 tiers of service. We're going to install the free version for this video here, so basic. We've got a link to installation instructions right here. It's free. Click installation instructions, and it's going to take you to our installation instruction page. You can see we have instructions for a whole variety of different website platforms, but we're doing this for the for the GoDaddy website builder, which you can see right here. So if I click this little plus here, it's going to expand this out. I would want to click code generator. That's going to take me to another page, which I would then configure like what templates I want to use, what prompt type I want to use, any custom text. I would set the age that I want to prompt for, etc. I've already done all those things ahead of this video, so I've got that saved to my clipboard already. So I'm going to skip that part for this video. I'm going to close this tab out. And I'm in my GoDaddy website builder editor right now, and I simply want to add a new section. So you can see here I'm on the home page. And in any GoDaddy website, if you're when you're in your editor, if you scroll through the pages here, you can see the sections. And anytime you want to add a new section, you just hover over these little plus signs, and it says Add Section. You can kind of see there's lots of different sections on a page. With AgeVerify, you want to put it at the topmost section possible. So with any GoDaddy template, they always have a sort of a header image and header text as well. And the very first place you can add another section is right here. And we're going to add a section here, but this is not going to break your layout of what's below. By the time we actually publish your website, this section and the section that already exists below it will still be joined together. But this is where you want to add in our code. So we're going to click Add Section. It's going to open this panel here on the right. And we want to scroll down through this menu until we locate the menu item titled HTML. So I'll click that. It says Embed Custom Code on the page. Yep, that's what we want to do. So I'm going to click Add. All right, so it's created a new section here. Again, it won't look like this when we're complete. It's added a large section, but we're going to shrink it down. So over here on the right, title, we want to make sure we leave that blank. Custom code. This is where you're going to paste in the code that you would have gotten on the AgeVerify.com website code generator, which I already did ahead of this. So I've got it here. I'm going to paste it in. You can see a preview here of what I've pasted in. And we're going to change the forced height to 1. And what that does is it actually keeps it so that your sections don't break on your website. But when somebody comes to your website, the age verification prompt will still be full screen. So I'll click Done. And then I want to hit Publish. Publishing takes a minute. And then we'll click View Site. And that takes me to my website. This is my GoDaddy website. So you can see here I've got a full screen template that I put in place for age verification. I'm using the Clouds 2 template, so it has this cool video that it loads. I'm using a date of birth input, so I'm asking users for the month, day, year that they were born. And if they enter anything that's less than 21 years old, they're going to get redirected to a different website. I'm going to go ahead and enter in a date of birth that's at least over 21 years old. You can see it does a count up as to how old that person is. And then it allows me to see the website and navigate through it. All right, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Thank you.